In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can run Windows updates through the command line on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So we are going to do this with the command prompt. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now I have these commands from here and this will be posted in the description section of this video. So let's start with the first command. The first command will start checking for updates. Okay. Control V to paste, hit enter. Then we are going to start downloading the updates by using the second command. Control V, hit enter. Then we are going to start installing the downloaded updates with the third command. Hit enter. Then we are going to restart our device after installing the updates. So we need to copy this. Next command. Hit enter. Then we are going to check, download, and install the updates by using the last command. And that's it. Now simply type exit. So in the command prompt, you can simply run the Windows update. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.